Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Dog, and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be making you guys, that's right, a pineapple peach dump cake. Alright, and now, since I said that, I want to give a shout out to my big sister, Carter's Eat and Vicky's World. Okay guys, go over there and check them out. They also made a dump cake, and we just putting some stuff together for you guys, and this recipe came from Tamar Braxton, so don't miss out on this. Alright, so this is what we have today for you for this pineapple peach dump cake. We have some yellow cake mix right here. I have some brown sugar. This is like a quarter of a cup. Now this is actually a half a cup. I'm gonna keep it real with you. This is a quarter of a cup of sugar, and I have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in that also. You're gonna need, I'm gonna specify this once again, some Parquet butter, squeezed butter or whatever you want to use, but it's got to be Parquet if you want to make Tamar Braxton recipe, okay? That's what it's called for. I have a whole pineapple right here, and I'll tell you about that in a second. I'm gonna leave that right there. I have 2 different kind of peaches. They just the same thing, they're different brands, okay? These is 1 pound cans. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use all of that or not, both of them or not, okay? I have a lemon. I'm gonna use half of that, maybe not even half. I have some ginger oil, or you can use some ginger seasoning, nutmeg, and also I have some cinnamon, all right? And I'll tell you that as we go. But you're gonna need some device. This is a pineapple cork right here. It's a slicer, so you're just gonna go like that. I'm gonna show you guys all that. You're gonna need this, like a plastic spatula to spread the butter on it. All right. Now you're gonna need a spoon to mix your seasoning stuff in the pineapple and the peaches right here. And this knife is to cut this lemon and this pineapple right here. All right. So let me show you this pineapple right here. I had for about 2 weeks, guys. It was super green. The longer you keep your pineapple, when it gets soft and stuff like this, the sweeter it's going to be. Okay, I'm just letting you guys know that. A lot of people don't know that, but this pineapple is going to be sweet. All right, so let me put that to the side. Put this mix to the side, just like that. Parquet to the side. Get my sugar and all this stuff to the side. I'm gonna bring my glass dish over here, and I'm gonna put my peaches in here, just like so. Now you see why I say I may not need both cans, but I know my family's gonna like a lot of peaches in there. So I'm gonna go with about that much. Now I'm coming in here with this lemon. I'm gonna cut this lemon in half, but I'm not gonna squeeze all of it, okay? We're just gonna make the flavor pop a little bit, okay guys? So this is all we're gonna do right here. That's it. So that's probably like a tablespoon. This is some ginger oil. This stuff is very potent. So we're just gonna put a little bit in there. Probably like a half a teaspoon. Nutmeg. We're gonna put a quarter or 1/8 of a teaspoon. Cinnamon. This is brand new, so well, I got it halfway open because I was making cinnamon rolls. And guys, I'm gonna leave a link up here, right here, so you guys go check that out. All right. So we're gonna come in here with like, I want to say a tablespoon and a half of cinnamon. All right. Our brown sugar. See, I'm just eyeballing. Ain't nothing I do in this kitchen rehearsed. I'm telling you right now. Nothing I do in here is rehearsed. So we're gonna put that in there. We'll come in here with our sugar and our cornstarch. We're gonna put that in there. And we're gonna give this a mix. Like this, guys. And what this is gonna do is gonna thicken up this sauce, like all the syrupy stuff. That's all it's gonna do, guys. So it won't be runny. So you just want to spread this around up in here, and make sure you guys preheat your oven at 350. All right. Let me put this to the side up here. Get my pineapple, and there's gonna be a lot of juice come out of this bad boy. We're just gonna cut the top off, like so. See that? Here's your top. Put that to the side. Take your thing right here. You have a core right here, so you want to try to center that, such like this. Push down on it, then twist. Just like this. Yep, see all that juice coming out of there? It is super sweet and juicy. Alright, now you just want to pull up on it. Hold down on this and pull up. See that? There you go, right there, guys. So, now this got a lot of juice in there, guys. A lot of juice, okay? We're gonna pour some of that in there as well. I like 2 tablespoons. So we're gonna put that pineapple in there. So you just push this thing right here, take upside down, such like that. Super sweet. Oh my goodness. And I'm just going to like cup some of this up. We're gonna put a whole bunch in there. We just want to give it some extra flavor, that's all. Talking about something good. Oh my goodness. So about 3 of these. Put that up in there. Just like that. Put these over here. That over there. Wipe the table off. I'm put this back up here. Move this stuff to the side. Nothing rehearsed, I'm telling you right now. I'm telling you guys, hey, this is how I get down in the kitchen. I just see what I see and do it. And like I said, I'm not a baker at all, whatsoever. So I'm just gonna mix this around up in here again. Pineapple peach dump cake. All right, just spread it up pretty good, evenly. I'll flip them on the side a little bit. Let me taste that. Ooh, that's good. That is good. Super good. So, just gonna spread this on top. This is what they did. Pineapple peach dump cake. And if I skipped anything, sis, let me know. I'm just going strictly off of what you guys did. With a twist. That's all. And she made Carter's Eats. She made a mango peach dump cake. Vickie's World made strawberry peach dump cake. And it looked super good. You guys want to go over there and check them out, please. Tell them VELDOG sent you and show them some love by hitting that bell. You heard me. Hit that bell. so you too can be notified that time they and me and them upload another delicious recipe. Alright guys, I'm just spreading this out on here evenly, just like this. I'm not the world's best cook. I'm not a chef. Never claimed to be. But I'm a home cook. And you guys are home cook. That's why I'm creating restaurant quality meals from my home to yours. So I'm taking this thing off of here. They squeeze this butter on here. We almost done, guys. So this is what she did. Just trying to get on here nice and even because I'm going to spread it on there. That might be enough. I don't know yet, but we're going to find out. So I'm just going to spread this on here as much as I can. Okay, I think this is going to be good enough for me. When it melts, it's going to melt evenly anyway. So I'm going to take a little bit of this cinnamon, just a little bit, because it's going to be the crust. Just like so. And a little of this nutmeg. Just a crumb of that, really. But that goes a long way. Alright, that's it. Alright, let me go ahead and clean this up. Okay. That's what we're looking like, guys. Just like that. We're going to put this in the oven, let it cook, and tell you guys how long it took. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. I'm done. It took me about an hour and 15 minutes to cook this pineapple peach dump cake. Okay, a Tamar Braxton recipe, and a link to Vicky's World and a link to Carter's Eat. So please do go over there and check them out. Here's my little take on it right here. See if you guys can see that. That's how mine look. Now, if you make mine, now my kids and my family like theirs a little bit thick and saucy and stuff like that. So you may want to drain one of them cans of peaches when you make this recipe, okay? That's the only thing I will not do to this recipe. Okay, so let me go ahead and try this piece out right here. Let you guys get a bite and come around here. Alright guys, go ahead and get that bite right there. Alright. Fell off my hand. Anyway, sorry about that. Go ahead and get that bite. Alright, I'll taste it for you guys. Super delicious. It's good. That is good. I'm over here licking my hands now. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. So guys, please go over there and like, share, and subscribe to Vicky's World, Carter's Eat, Tamar Braxton. It's a winner, Tamar, Vicky, and Carter's Eat. I hit that bell for you all the time, you already know. Anyway, that's enough talking. So if you guys like this video, please give me a like, a share, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to hit that bell. Don't forget to hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. And thank you for watching Dogg's Kitchen. And I'm out. Much love.